Hey guys, what is up? Mos William here. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm just want to share on Adobe XD and Figma. Which one should you use? Which one is good for designing, and which tool is more comfortable for you? Adobe XD versus Figma. Both are perfect tool for designing, and if we see according to the industry and in between the people, if we see people prefer Figma nowadays because this is very popular tool. Figma is very popular tool and it has a bunch of advantages. We can see bunch of advantages in Figma as we can see, like first advantage we can see in Figma, you can design. If you are designing in Figma, you can prototype it in Figma as well. And Adobe XD, same feature you can see in Adobe XD. You can design and plus prototype in one particular tool. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to get extra extension of anything or get another download another tool. And we all prefer, us designers, we prefer both features and we prefer to use in one particular software. Now we don't need to download any other software. Like in Sketch, what we see, there is no very perfect prototyping feature or prototyping in Sketch, just for viewing the flow of the app or any product. So first, these are the prototyping feature. Second thing is, if you see secondly you will see in Figma, when you show your work to your client or your team members or anyone, your team and client both do not need to download any other software, software or anything for viewing the flow or for viewing the designing flow. Okay, so they don't need to download the other software in Figma. And if we talk about Adobe XD, same like Figma. So there is no very difference between Adobe XD and Figma. Both are same. So when you show your work in Figma, when you share your work with client or with your team members, they can work together. You can work together with your team, or they can also work with you together when you design something. And one more feature, I recently really like one feature in Figma, that is when we design something in Figma, like if I design mobile app, and after that when I design a mobile app, so I show this to my client, and client wants, no, this one you should change this thing, and some reviews, some clients feedback and reviews, they want to change this and that. So when I come back to my desk and want to change all the features, everything in designs, so after all the changes, I don't need to go anywhere or export my designs or upload in Marvel, and then again this process, if client again wants to change something or wants some changes in designs, so again I do this process and export all the screens after changing and import it in Marvel. So these are time consuming process. It will take a bunch of to do all this process. And what you can do here, you can just easily download the Figma and use it for both design and prototype. In Figma, I personally use Figma, so you don't need to, when you design something and after change the designs and make changes in your designs, you don't need to export anything, any design. It will automatically change all the design in prototyping section. So when you show your client, when you update all the designs, it will automatically update it by the client side. Now you don't need to update anything in prototypes aside, right? So this is very good feature, and this I like very much in Figma. And another thing is, both are free tool. Adobe XD and Figma, both are free tool, both are perfect. However, both are perfect for designing, right? For Adobe XD, compare with Figma, Adobe XD at second level and Figma is first, because people like Figma very much. So I give second position and second level of Adobe XD, for Adobe XD, and first popular tool is Figma, right? So both are free tool for designing. You don't need to pay much. Illustrator or Photoshop, as in recent video I talk about this, you don't need to pay much for these tools and get these tools for designing. You can just easily maintain your design skills or design anything in Figma and Adobe XD. Both are free tools, right? So that's how you can design your software, any software, mobile app, any product you can design in Figma and Adobe XD. So these are my thoughts on this Adobe XD and Figma. Hope you like this video. If you like, if you have any question or anything, you can just comment me below and I will be answer all of your questions. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I need your support in this time. This is my just beginning of my YouTube channel, so I need your support. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.